Wall Street just witnessed a total disconnect. Amazon just reported the biggest quarter in its history. In the final 3 months of 2025, they pulled in a staggering $213 billion in revenue. Their cloud business, AWS, is growing at its fastest rate in years, and their advertising machine is now worth over $20 billion. By all traditional measures, this was a massive win. But then, the unthinkable happened. Instead of a celebration, Wall Street triggered a panic. In just 9 days, $460 billion of Amazon's market value was wiped out. Investors aren't running because the earnings were bad. They are running because they are terrified of the price tag for what comes next, a $200 billion bet on the future of AI. To understand why this is causing a meltdown, you have to look at the great swap happening inside the company. Amazon is trading its past for its future. This report shows they spent over $700 million just on severance pay for fired employees. They are shutting down physical stores and cutting thousands of corporate jobs. They are squeezing every bit of profit from their old retail business to fund a new empire. But they aren't saving that money. They are pouring all of it into a bet on artificial intelligence. That is so large, it's hard to wrap your head around. Spending $200 billion in 1 year is more than most of the world's biggest companies are worth in total. This massive spending has caused Amazon's free cash flow, the actual cash left in the bank, to drop by 71%. For most investors, seeing that much cash disappear is a massive red flag. But if you look past the fear, the data shows why Amazon is doing this. Their cloud business, AWS, just hit a massive milestone, growing 24% to reach over $35 billion in a single quarter. Even more importantly, Amazon now has a backlog of $244 billion in signed contracts. That is a 40% increase from last year. The customers aren't just coming. They are already waiting in line. They need massive computing power for AI, and Amazon is the only company building the infrastructure fast enough to meet that demand. This is the heart of the big bet. Amazon is building Project Rainier, a giant AI supercomputer powered by 500,000 of their own custom-made chips. They have realized that the future isn't about how many people you employ or how many cardboard boxes you ship. The future is about who owns the brain of the internet. By firing 16,000 people and spending $200 billion on machines, Amazon is pivoting from being a store to becoming the world's most powerful AI utility. So, when you see the stock price falling, remember the bigger picture. We are watching a total transformation. Amazon is choosing to look inefficient today so they can be unstoppable tomorrow. They are trading short-term profits for long-term dominance. It's a gamble that has made them the most hated stock on Wall Street this month. But history shows that betting against Amazon's infrastructure has almost always been a losing trade. The question is, if Amazon wins this bet, the returns for investors will be legendary. But if they fail, this $200 billion mountain of debt could send the stock into a freefall that no one can stop.